The waitlist is behind us and Glaze is now available for everyone. You might have seen our ad going around in the socials, and we announced this with a little love letter for tools and tool makers. And now I'd like to give you a little tour of Glaze to show you how it works, the features that it has to help you build your own apps and publish them to the store, as well as how you can download and play with the apps that other people have built. If you have no idea of what Glaze even is, don't worry, here's a quick explanation. It's a whole new app by the team behind Raycast that allows you to create apps just by chatting with AI. You send in a prompt and you get your app on the dock. You can then keep it to yourself and use it and tinker with it using Glaze, or share with other Glaze users in the public store or in a store just for your team. Let me show you. After you install Glaze and create an account and all that, this is what you're gonna see before creating your first project. You can see there's some ideas here for what you can build, and you can create your app here from the chat window that pops up. Not much to talk about here, to be honest. It's just a chat interface that you're probably used to by now anyway. You type in what you want and you get an app back. There's also planning mode. If you want to start by discussing your idea a bit further before getting to building. You can obviously also add attachments to the chat if you want the agent to use them as references. And what's really cool is that we have some plug and play type integrations ready. Currently, you can easily have a Glaze app that supports connecting to GitHub, Linear, and Slack, without having to fiddle with OAuth configurations and API keys or anything like that. We plan on adding more and more of those as well in the future. Once you submit the first prompt, the agent will work on it for a bit and it will bootstrap your whole app. And you see an app with a name and an icon pop up right on your dock. You can find it in Raycast too immediately, and even in Spotlight if you really want to. We always spend a bit of time trying to come up with the perfect examples in these videos that people can connect to, but I'm sure every single one of you already have a better idea of an app that makes the most sense for you. We've seen dashboards, games, developer and design tools, synthesizers, file managers, trackers, music players, photography tools, and that's all during the closed beta. So I can't wait to see what's going to come out now that we've released Glaze publicly. Now, once you have a functioning app, you can continue iterating just like before. You keep chatting and watching the agent work on it. But I want to show you a really nice Glaze feature that lets you modify your apps visually with annotation. Let's say we have some type of calendar app that we created that looks like this. You can see it has a nice daily and weekly view, but no monthly view yet. Let's see how we can annotate it in Glaze to fix it directly in the UI. And if I want this button to just be a circle with a plus icon instead of text, I can just ask for this directly. You can see how the UI items that are being worked on get this logo animation. And there's some nice visuals to indicate what's still left to modify. It's really fun to work on your apps like this, and it's quite intuitive. One of the nicest things about Glaze is how easy it is to publish your apps and share with others. You can share them in the public Glaze store, where every app is free to download for every Glaze user, or for internal apps and tools, you can share them within your organization, so they're only available for members of your team. When you go through the publishing flow, you can modify your app icon and title, add a description and screenshots, and you'll automatically get reviews. If there's something to fix, well, you can quite easily just tell Glaze in the chat to fix it for you. Here at Raycast, we already have a bunch of internal tools that we've created for our team, and the public store has more and more apps created by our beta users every day. It's easier than ever to create your own tools and optimize your workflow with AI. We believe Glaze takes this one step further by letting every obsessed toolmaker create their own desktop apps just the way they want it. Glaze is now available for everyone to download, and the free plan comes with a welcome pack of credits so you can try building with it. as well as access to every app that's in the public store. For advanced users, the Pro plan is available with monthly credits and a top-up option if needed. I really can't wait to see what you're going to build with it. For more Glaze news and tips, make sure to subscribe. Cheers.